In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to draw text and bitmap on PDFs. How's it going, everyone? In this video, we're going to explore how to use IronPDF to draw text and bitmap on your PDFs in a C# console application. As you can see, I've already installed IronPDF using the NuGet Package Manager. If you haven't done so, go ahead and do so, but we're going to just jump on into the code. So let's go to the program CS file and get started. First, you'll notice the necessary namespaces included at the top: IronPDF, ironsoftware.drawing, and system.io for file operations. Next, we add the license key to use IronPDF. I've enclosed the license key within a region to block it for security reasons for this video. Next, we'll initialize a Chrome PDF renderer object, and this renderer lets us convert HTML content to a PDF document. In this example, we're rendering a simple HTML header tag with the text testing. After creating the PDF document, we're going to add some text using the draw text method. This method takes several parameters: the font type, font size, page index, X and Y coordinates, color, and rotation angle. So here we're drawing the text, some text, using the Times New Roman font at size 12, and we're placing it on the first page at coordinates 100, 100, with a black color and no rotation. Now let's add an image to our PDF file. We'll load the image ironsoftware.png from the specified path using any bitmap.from file. The draw bitmap method is then used to place this image on the first page, starting at coordinates 50 to 50, and then scaling it to 500 by 300 pixels. And this method requires the bitmap, page index, X and Y coordinates, width, and height. Finally, we save the PDF to a desired location using the save as method, which takes the file path as a parameter. So in this case, we're saving it as image and text draw.pdf in the specified directory. So let's go ahead and run the project and see the results. All right, our program has been executed successfully, so let's take a look at the output. As you can see, we have our testing header, the text we added, and the image positioned perfectly. So this shows you how easy it is to create and manipulate PDFs in IronPDF in a C# console application. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please click subscribe if you'd like some more videos from us. And if you'd like to try out our software yourself, there's a trial subscription on our site. You can download, install the package, and experience the power yourself. There's a link in the description below. Check it out.